Hello there, how are you? My name is Abdullah from Self Engineered, and in this video series, I'm gonna walk you through what I think is the simplest way to learn programming fundamentals. And in this video series, why I say it's very simple is because we're gonna learn fundamentals by building projects and visualize how our code is gonna perform, just like in this uh, turtle here. We're gonna draw some shapes and use all the fundamentals to run this kind of shapes. Now all the fundamentals actually run in all the programming language, but for the purpose of this course we're gonna use Python because it is easy, simple, and it's beginner friendly. That's why we are gonna use it. And maybe you're coming from a different background. Maybe you're studying economics or business or maybe engineering, just like me. That does not mean that you cannot understand, or it doesn't mean that you cannot code. It's actually simple if you understand the fundamentals, and this is the main core of this video series, just the fundamentals of Python and programming in general. So the first thing we need to do is actually find a way to run Python in our computer. There are two ways you can do this. It's either by running Python on your browser, or you can download it. So to run Python on your browser, just go to your browser here and go to this web app called Replit, and then sign up. Just enter your name, your email, and password. Very easy and simple process. Once you get there, you will get into a page like this, and just hit Python here. Python. Then you may need to choose this one. It should take you to this page, and then you just need to name your file here. Maybe call it hello, and then hit enter. And that's essentially it. Let's try and print something. And then run it here. And here is your hello printout. That's all for it. The second way is actually by running Python on your downloading Python on your computer, and that is by going to this URL called python.org and then hit download, and then select according to your operating system here, and then select download, and then follow the installation process. Once you do that, simply go here, you'll see your search bar, and then go to idle, and here you can run your Python. Just if you hit anything, 5 plus 5, it should give you 10, maybe 3 plus 5 give you 8. Maybe if you want to print something, and that's essentially it. So I'm so excited about this, and I hope to code with you in the next video.